Hello, Dr. Sandhya. As a girl, I feel that this question is very relevant because as the age for marriage might be approaching for a lot of our audiences, then this question goes as how necessary is it to consider what expectations we need to have in our future spouses?
Wow, I really wish I had somebody to answer this question when I was of your age. Definitely a question that many girls or many guys also would have on their mind. Before answering this question, one needs to understand that a spouse is essentially a partner. Okay. Now, partnerships, you all know, partnerships are of different types. But the one common thing across partnerships is that in each partnership, there is a common business of interest where all the partners are involved. There are egos, there is that feeling of superiority, there is that feeling of inferiority. Uh, for a successful partnership, it's important that the rules of partnership have to be clearly defined, understood, and followed too. One has to also understand that partnership, you can look at all those people, all those friends who have been there for each other for longer time, all those business partners who have been there, who have been in partnership for a longer time. That partnership is nothing but a process of growing together. You have to understand that no person is perfect. The problem is in today's generation, you all expect your partner to be perfect. Partnership is about growing oneself and the other partner too. The growth, while it is important that the growth has to be from within, but the definition of growth has to be mutual. The demands of the world today are increasing. The volatile times of today can bring in a lot of volatility in relationships. Complementing with each other is important, but at the same time, honesty and accountability is equally important. A relationship cannot continuously dwell on past memories and future hopes. A candid analysis of the current perspective, and there I feel your generation is much better than the seniors. A candid analysis of the current perspective is equally required to know where one needs to work on. One need not shy on getting help to iron out the differences. Exceptions uh, can be defined and accepted in a relationship. But what you need to understand is if there are too many exceptions, then a deeper introspection is required to relook at the rules or to evaluate the viability of such bond, such partnership for long-term success and happiness. And another most important thing is that in today's generation, uh, each person is exposed to so much of the world that each person, the egos today are much higher than what they were in the olden days. So you know that feeling of superiority, that I am superior or I have better options, I have more options. तो क्या हुआ अगर ये नहीं चला कुछ और, you know, my family is better. So that is also there. So this, you cannot have one short definition as to what kind of, or there's not a single formula that will apply to all, but definitely as an individual you need to understand you yourself first, and rather than who you picturize as your ideal spouse, you need to understand what are the qualities that should be there in a person to complete you. Got it? Because what, let's say, what Gungun likes may not be what is fit for Anushri, or what is fit for Anushri may not be what is fit for Gungun, or what is fit for me would be different from what y'all would require. So you have to sit, introspect yourself, and be practical as to, in the long term, what is it, uh, who's the kind of person you would like to be with after 10 years. That is what I feel you should look at when you're looking for a spouse. Agreed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So what I have deduced from this is I feel that instead of a spouse or a partner, we just need to look for a friend for life.
Mm.
And I feel that in this fast-moving world, we have our generation has this positive characteristic of being open and actually communicating what we want and how we want it. So, communicating with our spouse and then maybe coming to a conclusion. We may have disagreements, but we need to agree to disagree. So, I feel that communication and being mature, sometimes one has to be mature, sometimes the other, but communication is the key, I feel.
You need to give in the time to the relationship. You have to understand that there are highs and lows. Nothing just gets over. I mean, something every day has a night and every night has a day. So you need to be patient. That is the one thing that your generation lacks, patience. So, and yes, there has to be some amount of trust, faith. So, your generation also has a lot of trust issues.
Yes,
I
So, once you,
I
yes,
I really think that my perspective is little different. I think we should look for values what the person has been brought up in, because those values will define him in the later life. Maybe right now he would be having some trouble in his life. That is the reason he might be behaving this way. But if the values are correct of the person, he will surely be a good spouse for any person. Maybe take it for any boy or any girl, the spouse would be best because the values are good. He knows how to respect, he knows how to do other things, or he know how to behave with other person. So I think values matters the most if we are looking forward for some spouse, rather than looks or the money or whatever, which usually our generation is running forward to. But normally, if a genuine person is there, they would be looking for good values and a good family. Good family in the sense that he has been brought up in such a family that they know how to respect other person's perspective. Sometimes what happen in relationship, if my perspective is something and other person's perspective is something else, we hate each other because he is not with me. Rather than doing that, we should understand that his perspective can also be a perspective that can be taken into account. So values do matter in searching
that's
for
what
a
I
good
said.
spouse.
That's what I said. Each person has his or her own expectations. So you have to be
Yeah.
very realistic, very candid, and sabki suno, lekin you know yourself the best.